We love to celebrate local heroes on our Zip Trip Friday. So today we are saluting a local forensic nurse practitioner who has worked tirelessly during the COVID-19 pandemic to help victims of abuse. So joining me right now is Katie Swift, and she works in the forensic medical unit at Adventist Healthcare Shady Grove Medical Center. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
So tell me a little bit more about your unit specifically, because I know you're the only one of your kind in the county, right?
We are the only ones that create these services for Montgomery County. We are housed in Shady Grove Medical Center, and we service the entire population of this county.
And what services do you provide exactly?
We care for the victims of violence for Montgomery County and abuse.
And so during this time, I mean, obviously that is always a service that is necessary. But how did you see the need change specifically during the pandemic?
Unfortunately, during the pandemic, we noticed that the number of patients that were coming to the hospital for our services had decreased compared with previous months and previous years. But we knew that those patients were still out there in our community and they desperately needed our help.
So they were just afraid to come to the hospital because for fear of getting COVID-19, right? So they were choosing
everybody was feeling a little reserved about coming to the hospital.
Sure, understandably so. So how did you guys go about reaching out or finding those people that need your services?
We actually went to our community partners and made sure we got the word out that even during a pandemic that we were here, that we were open, we were ready and prepared to care for these patients in the safest way possible. We started to have patients call us directly, so they were able to ask questions before they ever got to the hospital, and it gave us the opportunity to reassure them and instill confidence in them that we were here and they would be safe.
So specifically, who do you hook them up with, or what kind of services do you provide? Because there might be someone watching right now that doesn't know, that's in a bad situation, and they don't know the kind of help that's out there and what you can do for them specifically.
We take a holistic approach to our patients, and we treat them medically, spiritually, and physically. So we make sure that medically they're okay and they're taken care of and they're given any medications that they need. And then we hook them up with different community partners like the Family Justice Center, or the Child Advocacy Center, or the Crisis Center for any needs that they may need outside of this hospital. So we know that when they leave, their care doesn't end here, that they're going to continue to get help and services, and they're going to continue to be safe.
Well, we know that you have been working tirelessly. I do want to ask you, how are you holding up?
We're doing good. It has been a little rough. I mean,
Sure.
We have seen an increase like the rest of the country because unfortunately, not everybody is in a safe place during this lockdown.
Well,
and that's why it's so important for everyone to know that we're here and we're ready.
absolutely. And we want to acknowledge the work that you have done, that you've been doing, and that you continue to do. So with that, I want to bring in Henry Molina, because he is with Lafayette Federal Credit Union, and they help sponsor this very special segment that we have. Henry, it's good to see you.
Good to see you. Good morning, Holly, and good morning, Katie.
All right. So what do you want to say to Katie this morning, Henry?
Yeah, so on behalf of Lafayette, we want to congratulate Katie Swift for being recognized as the hometown hero this week. Her work at Adventist Healthcare has helped provide physical and emotional healing to victims of abuse, and has given them access to resources that they may continue their journey towards a full recovery. So in order to help celebrate our 85th anniversary and to celebrate the outstanding work that you're doing, we're going to send you a gift card and a gift bag as a token of our appreciation. So thank you. Congratulations on being this week's hometown hero. And thank you for all your work for those victims that don't have a voice.
Thank you so much.
Katie, do you feel like a hero? Because you know you are one.
Thank you.
Well, we appreciate all that you have done, like I said, and continue to do. We're grateful for you. And please also pass on our gratitude to the other people that work with you in your unit.
I definitely will.
All right. Henry, thank you. Good to see you.
Thank you, guys.
All right. Have a great weekend.
Have a good morning.
Yeah. Wisdom, over to you.